Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Ark Survival Evolve crash on PC. First, basic troubleshooting. Restart the PC. A simple restart fixes many glitches. Update graphic drivers. Outdated drivers are a major cause for crashes. Update your NVIDIA or AMD drivers. Verify game files. Use Steam to check for corrupted files. Right-click Ark, then Properties, then Install Files, and verify integrity. Close background apps. Disable overlays such as Discord and GeForce Experience, Spotify, browsers, and more. Next, in-game and system settings. Adjust graphics. Launch windowed mode. Set FPS limit to 30 to 60. Lower resolution. Turn off shadows and post-processing, and disable DLSS FSR if using. Launch options. Try adding -D3D11 or -DX11 in Steam's launch options for Ark. Run as admin or compatibility. Try running the game executable as an administrator or in compatibility mode for older Windows versions like Windows 7. And finally, advanced fixes. RAM speed. If you have fast RAM, disable XMP/DOCP in your BIOS and run RAM at default to improve stability. Manage mods. Remove problematic or outdated mods like UltraStack. Ensure core mods are at the top of your load order. Corrupted saves. If crashing on load, find old save files like Valguero_Park in your shooter game/saved folder and revert to an older one. And finally, reinstall. Uninstall from Steam, delete the remaining game folder, restart your PC, then reinstall, ideally to a different drive like your C drive if it's on an external. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.